Today I'm discussing with you what is Python, difference between program scripting language, history of Python, scope of Python. These are basically I will discuss with you. What is Python? General purpose programming language that is often applied scripting rule. Python programming language, scripting language. Python is also called interpreted language. Difference between program scripting language. These are the different program. This is the history of Python. Python designed by Leonardo van Wilson. This is Python created. Scope of Python. What can I do with Python? Who use Python today? Why do people use Python? Powerful, portable. Installing Python. After installing open sign Python shall we start running Python print hello world. Python code evaluation is m.py. M.py is pvm. Then math operator in Python. Next year math. 3 plus 12, 15 12 minus 3, 9, 9 plus 15 minus 15 plus 12 operator. Then math tool practice. Thank you.